Hey friends, Hattie from Honeybee Stampers here. I am just hopping on to share with you a little unboxing. I just got this really fun item from Stampin' Storage today and I wanted to share it with you. I decided I wanted to upgrade or kind of downgrade, but upgrade my lockdown punch storage. And so they have a sale going on. They actually have a sale that ends today for 20% off of anything that you'd like. But this past 12 days, they've done kind of a Christmas in July, reset your craft room, organizational type thing. And each day they showcase something that was on sale. And so earlier in the week, this lockdown punch storage was on sale. And we don't have quite as many punches with Stampin' Up! That are current as we have in the past. And so I decided I wanted to kind of downgrade this size-wise, but then upgrade by having it already come painted white for me so that it kind of matches everything else. So here's another item that I have purchased. If you guys are familiar with the upcoming changes with the ink pads, right now we carry the new in color ink pads. Let me get one that you can actually read. We'll use Peaceful Pine here. These are the new ink pads that we are going to be carrying. They're different than the previous ones in that they're magnetic closure. They're super easy to open. They're a little bit longer than our previous ones. And so I wanted to make sure that I had the storage unit ready to go for when these all launch. So right now we can get the 5 in colors in this new style of ink pad, but going forward, I don't know actually when they're going to release it, sometime next year, then all of the ink pads are going to convert over. So I switched over to this. The other thing is we no longer have the Stampin' Write markers, but we do carry the Stampin' Blends. And so I wanted to be able to store my Stampin' Blends with the ink color, with the refill. And that's why I got this unit here. I love it. I think it's beautiful. And yeah, so I've had this one for a while. And then when it went on sale these past 12 days, I decided to go ahead and get another one. Let me see if I can even get this out with one hand. But with this comes the spacers. So these spacers are what you use if, let me give you an example with this here. You'll see like this ink, this punch right here, it would go all the way back so you wouldn't be able to see it if you didn't have one of these spacers in place. And so that's what those are for. You just lay them back there and it prevents it from sliding all the way back. So that's awesome that they include that. So I've got a few of those here. Oops. This one here. And then let's see. So you can opt to have Stampin' Storage spray paint or paint your products for you, or you can get them in this natural wood. And I used to get them all in the natural wood because originally that's all they had to offer. And now I just love how this looks. Okay, so here it is. Let me compare. It's a little bit smaller. Oh, it's even a little bit shorter. I wasn't expecting that, but it's a little, let me see. Yep, it's even a little bit shorter. So here is the new punch storage. I think that this must be the one that fits in your calyx unit, and that's why maybe it's a little bit shorter. I don't know, because I thought they were all supposed to be about the same size, height-wise. So there's that. I'm going to transfer all of those into here, and then I'll get to slide all of these down. And since they have the sale going on today, today's the last day, with that 20% off, I think I'm going to upgrade this. So this is their card storage. This is the smaller one that fits in the IKEA unit. These are for thank you cards that are going out to customers. And I think I'm going to get one that's a little bit larger that holds 4 different rows, and get it spray painted white also so that everything matches together. So I used to have a really long ribbon holder as well. I'm using the Stampin' Up! Ribbon or the Stampin' Up! Storage. So this is Stampin' Storage, right? What I'm just showing you here, these wooden pieces that are very high quality. And then this is what Stampin' Up! Sells right now, which is perfect for the amount of ribbon that I have that's current right now. And so these are just different modular units. You can use it for different things. You can actually even put punches in there if you wanted to, but you can stack them, add to them. There's different configurations. And so this worked out perfectly for me for my ribbon. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I will leave my link if I've motivated you to splurge a little and treat yourself to a brand new storage unit from Stampin' Storage. I'll leave my affiliate link in the comments or in this video so that you can go and shop and check it out. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. I'll take a picture of this and share it when I have it converted, when I put all those in. So have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.